everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm a conservative coin collector, and what I'm looking at is a coin I found at Coinstar while I was working today. And it's not Canadian, but it is different. This coin here is from Switzerland. It made it into somebody's pocket change, and they just so happen to have tossed that pocket change into the Coinstar, and I found it. Now, how on earth did a coin from Switzerland get all the way here to America? That's the question I'm never going to have an answer to. A question I do have an answer to is, what are the most valuable foreign coins out there? Obviously, this is only worth face value in that country. Probably a few bucks here if you want to sell one on eBay, but what if it wasn't? What if you could add a few commas to it? Today's video, I'm going to tell you the coins to look out for if you're hunting foreign coins. I'm sure I'm going to miss a few, but I'm going to try my best to get all of them. So, to like, comment, subscribe, and share the bell icon. And well, let's get to it. The 1947 King George VI Canadian silver dollar. It was struck under the reign of King George VI and is not just a relic from Canadian history, but it's also a prized collectible. Made from primarily 80% silver. The value comes from its metallic content and its scarcity. The 1947 silver dollar was minted during a transitional period in Canadian coinage, as it was the year the word emperor was removed, following the coin's inscription following India's independence. In fine condition, the coin is valued at approximately $500 to $1,500, but it depends on the condition. The 1947 King George VI Canadian silver dollar. It was struck under the reign of King George. Though it's a non-silver coin, its value is exceptional due to its rarity and the tumultuous times during which it was minted. It was made from bronze. Its penny was also produced in limited numbers during World War I. That's why both the Australian and international collectors would like to have it. Its simplistic design, featuring King George V on the side and one penny with a decorative scribble on the other, it builds its high value there. In uncirculated condition, this penny can fetch anywhere from $3,000 to $15,000. Though it's a non-silver coin, its value is exceptional due to its rarity and the tumultuous times during which it was minted. It was made from bronze. Its penny was also produced in limited numbers during 1897 Russian 1 ruble. It's a beautiful silver coin that hails from the reign of Tsar Nicholas II, the last emperor of Russia. It was a symbol of Imperial Russia before the Revolution of 1917. The obverse features a profile of Tsar Nicholas II, and the reverse displays the intricate design of the Russian Imperial Eagle. The coin is made from 90% silver and is highly admired by collectors interested in Russian history of imperial coinage. In excellent condition, this 1897 Russian 1 ruble can have prices upwards of $500 to $2,000. 1897 Russian 1 ruble. It's a beautiful silver coin that hails from the reign of Tsar Nicholas II, the last emperor of Russia. It was a symbol of Imperial Russia before the Revolution of 1917. The 1933 German Reichsmark. This coin was produced during the volatile interwar period in Germany. It was an essential part of 20th century European history, and it was issued by the Weimar Republic. The coin was minted in a nickel, and not though made from precious metals. Its history and limited availability make it a desirable collectible. The obverse depicts the German eagle, while the reverse displays the denomination and year of minting. A well-preserved 1933 Reichsmark can be valued between $200 to $1,500. The price depends on the condition and whether any minting errors were present. The 1933 German Reichsmark. This coin was produced during the volatile interwar period in Germany. The 1943 Australian halfpenny. It was made of bronze, however this relic holds tremendous value due to its rarety. It was minted during World War II. The halfpenny produced is in much smaller quantities, as in the Australian economy had shifted focus into supporting the war effort. This coin features King George VI on the obverse and a bounding kangaroo on the reverse. It is a symbol of Australia's national identity. It could be worth anywhere from $500 to $4,000. The 1943 Australian halfpenny. It was made of bronze, however this relic holds tremendous value due to its rarety. It was minted during World War II. The halfpenny produced is in much smaller quantities, as in the Australian economy had shifted focus into supporting the war effort. This coin, the 1874 Republic bronze pattern. One more instance manufactured in bronze was released with only a few real-life examples. Fewer of these are known to exist. In fact, it was the product of the Heaton Mint in Birmingham, England, which served as a prototype before the official gold versions were struck. The obverse showcases a portrait of the President Thomas Francois Burgers, which a nickname for this coin is the Burgers Pond. The second is of the South African Republic, while the reverse remains consistent with later gold issues. The coin's estimated value is between the last and the oldest coins on the list are the French Napoleon and Josephine gold specimen from the Napoleon I coronation. It's a remarkable specimen that was originally issued to commemorate the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte in 1804 in France. The obverse presents a striking jugate bust of Napoleon Bonaparte, crowned with a laurel wreath alongside his wife Josephine, adorned with a diadem and elegant drapery. This medal is exceedingly rare in gold, with few known examples. Sophisticated auctions with accidental encounters are also possible. An estimated value of this coin is between $20,000 and $25,000. The last and the oldest coins on the list are the French Napoleon and Josephine gold specimen from the Napoleon I coronation. It's a remarkable specimen that was